Hello and welcome. This is a DCH333 54 volt Flexvolt machine built to run these 54 volt Flexvolt batteries, not the 18, just the Flexvolt. This one's not going, it's not running, not even lighting the LED on a battery that's showing 3 bars. So why is this? This one's only 3 months old. This one featured on a previous video. If you saw that video, you'll know what's wrong because I've already highlighted it. But this here is the fix tonight. We're going to do the fix. But to recap, what's wrong with this machine? Somebody has cut 2 lugs off the bottom of the body. And I'll show you the part we're going to replace it with, just to show you what it should look like. This is the new part that we'll have to install. And you see those lugs? These, they're not on this one. What I can only guess, but I would say it's a fair good guess, what happened this time. Somebody deliberately cut these lugs off because they thought they could run this 54 volt machine on the ordinary XR battery. Because they thought it's because they couldn't get it slid on all the way. That was the problem. They didn't consider the fact that them lugs were there for a reason. This is a 54 volt motor or 60 volt motor, whatever way you look at it. But these batteries here are 18 volts as they sit, and them 2 lugs slide these in. These slides. That has to happen along with connecting 2 extra terminals at the top of the battery to make it into the higher voltage battery. A lower voltage battery can't run a higher voltage machine, it's just a matter of fact. As a result of such careless butchery, we have got to fix this machine, and the only way to fix it is putting on this new part of the body. Now this is available. If you accidentally butcher your machine, accidentally on purpose, because you mistake, that's the part number there. This is quite a simple fix, but it shouldn't have happened. This shouldn't even needed to be done. But the only thing is, he was lucky that the whole body didn't have to replace it. This part was separate. Without further ado, we'll just pull out the 8 screws we have to get this thing going. Get this little repair done. And it's a T20 torque you need for this one. So there's not much to it when you take the body off like that. You just got to get the bottom part of this. Take all the parts out and put them back in the way you got them. Trying to leave any of the wee smaller parts, like that little bit there. That little mushroom shaped bit there. That's more important than you might think. It's it holds the battery. It holds the battery connector out towards the battery, and this spring here, of course. So here we are. Nice job you done that. Lovely. Anyway, We're not here to judge, we're just here to fix. A broken wire is not what you want in these, because it's just finding the damn thing when you're looking for it. It's not hard to fix, but it's better if you don't break the wires and don't have to fix them in the first place. Oh, one they bounce out again. Of course it did. Simple wee fix this, but you know, some of the small parts may not want to cooperate as much as you would like them to. That's just life. It's just part of the fun. That's the new one, that's the one with the lug still intact. I forgot the spring. That'll be required. That's looking pretty good now. So there we are, we've removed the old ones here. And you can see where they've been butchered. They've chopped the lugs off. So here we are, fully put together. Everything in place. Yep, looks good. And more importantly, the casing with the lugs on it, instead of this ill-conceived idea that whoever had. We're going to put a battery in and see if she goes, and if we've done our job right, all should be good. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.